Hello and welcome. I'm Caro from CaroMaths, and in this video I'm going to show you an easy way to expand a minus b all squared. Afterwards, I'll demonstrate it by showing you an example. If you've watched my video on expanding a plus b all squared, you'll know that we used a diagram to work that out. We could do a similar thing here, but it gets a little complicated, and I want to show you an easier way. But just to remind you though, a plus b all squared expands to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So how are we going to expand a minus b all squared? Well, firstly, remember that any number or term squared is just multiplied by itself once. So we can write this as a minus b times a minus b. Now we need to multiply the brackets. We do this by multiplying each term in the first bracket by each term in the second bracket. So let's have a look. We've got a times a, which gives us a squared, a times minus b, which gives us minus ab, minus b times a, which gives us minus ab again, and minus b times minus b, which gives us plus b squared. We can now simplify this to arrive at our final equation, which is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. And this final equation is something that the examiner would be looking for. And notice that it is very similar to our simplification of a plus b all squared. The only difference is that now the 2ab term is negative rather than positive. And now I'm going to demonstrate this by using an example. I have chosen y minus 3 all squared. So let's simplify it. Remember that any number or term squared is just multiplied by itself once. So y minus 3 all squared is y minus 3 times y minus 3. So now let's multiply out the brackets. So you've got y times y, which is y squared, y times minus 3, which is minus 3y, minus 3 times y is minus 3y again, and then you've got minus 3 times minus 3, which is plus 3 squared. And again, we can simplify this a little bit further to give us y squared minus 6y plus 9. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, please like and tell your friends. Also, please subscribe to make sure you don't miss out on any of my future videos. I will cover a different topic each week. If you have any questions about what I've done in this video or suggestions for future videos, then let me know in the comments below. Thanks, and see you soon. Bye bye.